The following video is a HAAS CL-1 CNC lathe. This unit's serial number is 3112824. This unit is new 2019. Chris is going to run a brief demonstration for us today.
All right, let's get her open. For security reasons, we're going to bypass the security lock so we can run our test. All right, we're going to go ahead and run the axis. Now we'll start with X. All right, we'll go Z. All right, we'll open and close the chuck. We'll go ahead and go through the tool turret. We'll go 3, and then we'll go back. All right, we'll go ahead and do a spindle test now. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 4,000 RPM. And that is 6,000 RPM.
Again, the preceding video was a HAAS CL-1 CNC lathe.